Hi, this is Tomato Tim in our urban garden in the San Francisco Bay Area in Zone 9B. And I wanted today to debunk a myth that I've seen in a few places on YouTube about determinate tomatoes. As I've told some of you in my earlier videos before, or otherwise, there are basically two different types of tomatoes. One is indeterminate and the other is determinate. The difference with determinate tomatoes, one true difference is that they get all of their fruit goes ripe at about the same time. So as you'll notice over here, this plant, all of these tomatoes, and this is a bush early girl plant, and it's November 2nd, so it's a little not that early for the early girl. We got early in the season, we got a big harvest, but look at all of the tomatoes now on this for a second harvest. So the fruit does all mature at the same rate. It ripens, and then the urban myth is that it's only once and done. You can only get one crop a year out of a tomato plant. However, this is the second crop I've got on these plants, and as you can see, it's a very healthy, very large crop. So we'll get another crop that we can use for canning or other purposes. So I just wanted to, so what you can do is, this only really applies though, however, in zones with long growing seasons like our zone 9B, so that the plants have long enough in the season to get to this point and ripen, but we're still going to get a huge crop off of both of these plants. So it's really, in this case, we'll get two crops all at the same time. Again, this is very good for canning or making tomato paste or other things, because you get a lot of tomatoes ripening at the same time. The other type of tomatoes, the indeterminate tomatoes, will ripe one at a time. So you have to kind of collect them in order if you're going to do large canning projects. So just wanted to make that clear, and hopefully that clears up the urban myth out there that determinate tomatoes are once and done. They aren't once and done unless you have too short of a growing season, which kind of makes sense because then nothing's going to grow. So anyway, hope that's helpful, and we'll be talking to you again soon.